Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing of this prize from Pearl Abyss. So basically it's a mug and maybe a lamp. Yeah, and a keyring, I guess. Right? Let's continue. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to open it myself while holding the camera of my phone. Alright, hold on. Alright, so here we go. Wow, it looks... Thank you. Here, alright. Here we go. It's from Black Desert Mobile. Right, oops. Still have the Black Spirit with Santa hat on. Right, okay. Careful, I might drop it. Here we go. Looks cute. Yay. Can actually bring it, like hand carry it. Alright, so we're going to open the box. Here we go. Oh, right. What's in the box? This one, it looks, wow, keyring. Here we go. Right. And then, what's this? Oh, the Black Spirit mug, basically. Right. Okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay. Oh. It's a little bit difficult using only one hand. Right. Here we go. Oops. I gotta be careful. Yeah. Right. Oh, great for my coffee time. Right, here we go. Right, now let's put it beside here, and there's one more. Oh, I think it's the lamp, I guess. Right, here we go. The the Black Spirit lead touch lamp. Right. Okay, I gotta be careful. Right, here we go. Okay, let's remove the Black Spirit touch lamp from its plastic. Okay, but how do this work? Oh, there's the power, and here we go. It looks cute, right? But let's try turning off the light here in this room. There you go. Right. Thank you, Pearl Abyss, for giving me this prize. Right. Alright. Thank you.